Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I make the super easy, delicious barbecue chicken pizza. I start by making the pizza dough, of course, because every pizza needs a crust. The recipe will be in the description box.
Mama.
The dough is done kneading, it is time to cover it up and let it rest until it has doubled in size. While the dough is rising, I will start preparing the pizza toppings. I started by cooking the chicken breast, and then I also grated some mozzarella cheese. I do not like grating anything, so this was definitely my least favorite part. Now that I have all the toppings ready and the dough is ready, it is time to roll out and shape the dough and begin adding some toppings. I really wish I could have made a few personal sized pizzas instead of making one big one, because I really wanted a thin crust, but it ended up being a medium, sort of like thick crust, and I do not like that. I like thin crust. My husband says I did not add enough barbecue sauce, but I think that's the perfect amount of barbecue sauce because I don't like barbecue sauce all that much, and I know he does. He loves barbecue sauce so much, but I think that's a pretty fair amount. What do you guys think? And I also like to add the cheese before the toppings and after the toppings. I don't know. I know people do it differently, and I know my husband likes to add the cheese on top of the other toppings, but that's not how I do it. I am also adding pineapple to the pizza because I can never have pizza without pineapple on it. It just adds the perfect sweetness to the pizza. And now it is time to bake. I baked it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And now the pizza is ready and the family is so ready to eat. This pizza was so good, but the only thing I'd do differently next time is definitely making thin crust pizzas. Anyway guys, this is it for this video. Please do not forget to comment and subscribe for more. Bye!